Stop guessing the trend. This video reveals a complete trading blueprint. We combine 3 free TradingView indicators to create a powerful system for finding high-probability pullback entries. No premium tools needed. Let's build it. Now, first add your signal indicator. Search for Percentile Supertrend Scalping and add it to your chart. Default settings are fine. This is layer 1. Next comes the engine of our system. Search for the indicator, Multiple CCI, by Ricardo Santos. This is too noisy. Let's fix it. Open the settings. In the Style tab, uncheck every CCI except for the first 3. Now go to the Inputs tab. Enter this exact code. CCI 1 length, 11. This is our fast line. CCI 2 length, 34. This is our midline. CCI 3 length, 200. This is our trend line. Go back to Style. Make them easy to read. The 11 line, red. The 34 line, green. The 200 line, yellow. Last tweak for the CCI. Set overbought to 120 and oversold to 120. This is layer 2. Finally, our confirmation filter. Add the indicator, Andean Oscillator by Alex Grover. Default settings are perfect. Our chart is now complete. Now, the rules. For a sell signal, you need 4 green lights. Follow this checklist precisely. 1. The trend check. The yellow 200 CCI line must be below the 0 line. This confirms a downtrend. No exceptions. 2. The pullback. Wait for the red and green lines to move above the 0 line. This is a temporary bounce. 3. The entry trigger. The signal is here. Wait for the red line to cross back down, below the yellow line. The pullback is likely over. 4. Final confirmation. 2 quick checks. First, the yellow line is not in the oversold zone. Second, on the Andean oscillator, the green line is not on top. If all 4 conditions are met, it is a valid sell signal. Set your stop loss above the recent high. Aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. For a buy signal, you simply reverse the logic. The trend must be up, with the yellow CCI above 0. Wait for the red and green lines to dip below 0. Your trigger is the red line crossing back up over the yellow line. Confirm the yellow line isn't overbought, and the Andean oscillator does not have the red line on top. That is the blueprint, a system for trading with the trend. Remember to backtest this strategy and make it your own. For more free trading strategies, subscribe to the channel now. Trade smart.